नमस्कार ललदेद हंदिस यथ शुमारस मज वुचो बागडोगरा पेठन कुलदीप कुमार कौल जी क्या डल हेथ आमुत लल चपड़ अमिस पन तमाम भक्त दुनिया किस कूनस कूनस मज छकरमत तो वेस्ट बंगाल पेठन ये मलुल सरमाई कित पे मौजूद तो वुचतो कौल साहब ने जबान आही।
Namaskar. Hello everyone. I am Kuldeep Kumar Kaul from Vaak, West Bengal, India. On the occasion of 703rd birthday celebration of Shiva Yogini Mata Lalleshwari, I am going to recite two of her Vaaks in which she mentions about her real and ultimate state of her own true self. First Vaak. घरस पृछोम सासिलटे यत्न के वनान तत्क्या चुनाव प्रसान प्रसान थचेस्तलोसस केन मंजई क्या था इंद्राव. Mother Lalleshwari says, I asked thousands of times my Guru, what is the name of unnamed identity, the nothingness? Asking, I got so much tired that I lost my existence like a setting sun. The second Vaak is, Dhamadham kurmas dhamanhale Prajlyom deept naneyam zat Andryum prakash never sotum Andryum prakash never sotum Gatirotum takaramasthap. Comparing breathing of lungs and thinking of mind with blacksmith's air-blowing bellow, Mother Lalleshwari says, I stopped first breath and then mind's thought process. With this practice, the lamp of my spiritual knowledge got illuminated and I realized my true state of non-duality. Inner this knowledge of non-duality I threw out. The darkness thus created, in the darkness thus created, I caught something and held it tight. This way, in both the Vaaks, Mother Lalleshwari mentions about her ultimate and real state as something. Same something I too felt in 2016 about myself while writing a poem in Hindi, Vastvik Yog. That is the real merging of my ordinary self with ultimate unknown myself. This something is beyond duality and non-duality and also beyond conception and comprehension. May Lalleshwari bless us all. Namaskar.